Okay, so nakikita ba yung aking screen pa rin? Nakikita nyo itong activity natin, number 5?
Kita po, sir.
Okay, sasagutan natin. This is what is the time of, so medyo may kulang itong aking binigay sa inyo, ano? Which is, okay lang. Okay, so, ano ba yung time of observation? Did I put the time of observation? Okay, this is 8 o'clock, no? 0800. So, dito tayo sa tapat ng 0800. However, hindi ko makita yung... Okay, so mayroon tayong date doon. You should put the date there. For example, ngayon date. Okay, April 2. Pero sa barko kasi, ang ating pagsulat ng date is like this. Nakasanayan, no? Okay, insert, shapes, free. Okay, so ganito yung pagsulat ng date doon, no? Let's say ngayon ay 4/04 April. Okay, bago ko i-freeze, no? So may date na tayo. Okay. So nakita nyo, nahati yung aking screen. So let's go to the 0800 dito, alas 8. Okay, so anong true course? What is the true course? Okay, so i-dictate nyo para mapadali ako, ha? Ang true course is 348.
348, sir.
Yan. Hindi pala ako naka-insert. Freeform. Yan. 348. Okay, so what is the standard compass? 345. Wala, isusulat lo lang naman yan kaya madali lang, di ba? Gyro heading, 347.
47 po.
Okay, so gyro error, wala, no? Error? Gyro error
0.4 east po.
0.4
East.
east. Okay. RPM, wala akong nilagay, no? Okay lang yan. Yan naman sa makina. Then wind direction. Anong wind direction natin?
056 po.
056. So saan siya papasok? Yung 056.
Northeast.
Newport 6.
Northeast, di ba?
Northeast.
O kasi hindi pa siya lumagpas na 11.25. Northeast. Okay, what is the force?
22 knots. Speed po ba yun? 22 knots.
22 knots. Oh.
Apa.
Anong force? Beaufort. 4.6. Di ba? 4.6, di ba? You check your handout, ha?
Wait po. Check ko po.
Oh. Hindi, 4.6 nga yan. 22 to 27. Medyo tanda ko pa eh.
Apa.
Pero tignan nyo, i-open mo yung ano para ano.
Tama,
weather.
sir.
Weather. What is the for weather? Ano ilalagay natin? Yun yata hindi ko na ilagay dyan, ano? Kung meron bang clouds dyan, wala na.
Leave it blank po ata sabi niyo.
Oh, yun, sabi ko leave it blank. No, pero for example, meron. Okay, so you can write, let's say meron kang cloudy. Tapos meron siyang passing shower. Pwede mo ilagay ng dalawa, no? Pwede rin tatlo, basta magkasya. No? And then, sea state. So, remember na yung sea state, minsan wala sa ibang, ano, no? What is the sea state?
2.5 po. 2.5 meters.
2.5. Nako. Okay. 2.5 meters, ano yon?
Calm po.
Ano yung, anong code yun? 2.5? Is it code 4?
2.5. Opo,
4.
moderate.
Di ba? Code 4. Medyo tanda ko pa rin naman pala. Kasi itong, kaya hindi ko matandaan dahil yung C state, normally dito na lang yan sa remarks. Code 4, no? Code 4. Tapos barometer, anong barometer natin?
1022 po.
1022, mataas. What is your dry bulb?
Dry bulb po ay 28.
28. Wet bulb?
25 po.
Mainit. What is the sea temperature?
19 po, sir.
19. Okay, so here, ilalagay natin dito, 0800. So kahit ano mauna, no? Okay, how about the visibility? Is it good? Ano nakalagay doon? Tingnan natin nga. Kasi remarks na pala ako. Ako, umina pa internet. Yan, so alas 8, no? Okay, so is the visibility good? Nilagay ko ba dyan? Anong visibility natin?
Parang wala.
Wala, ano? So,
Wala po.
okay, pero just in case na
Wala, sir.
just in case na meron, tignan nyo kung good visibility ba or ano. So, ilalagay nyo lang doon, good. Good, moderate, or poor lang gagamitin natin as explained, no? Dahil sigurado yun sa exam nyo meron eh. Good visibility, lagyan mo period. Pwede rin lagyan period, tapos comma. Tapos ano, what is your wind? Anong wind natin? That is strong breeze. Lagay mo dyan, strong breeze. Pwede type tanggapin ko yung type. Kasi mayroon akong gamit kaya ako nakakasulat eh. Okay, strong breeze. Tapos what is your sea state?
Ang C-state po natin kanina ay
Code 4 is
4,
moderate.
4 po. Opo,
Okay.
moderate.
Moderate yun, no? Yan. Sa barko, kailangan shortcut. Moderate sea or moderate seas. Tapos, anong swell natin? Swell direction is 057. So ano yung direction, anong direction 'yon? Yung swell direction.
Ano po? Northeast.
Hindi, lagpas na eh.
7.
12. Oh. Doon ka na sa kabila, ano? Sa east northeast. East northeast ka na. Oh. Okay, tapos what is the swell height? 2.5 meters. What is 2.5? Is that it?
Moderate po.
Okay, so it is moderate. So ilagay mo dyan, moderate. 3 points ka agad dyan, oh. Moderate. Tapos what is the length?
Average po.
Moderate average. Ang laki pala ng sulat ko. Average. Abi na lang. Tapos east pala. East, north, easterly. So ganyan ganyan ba ginawa nyo? Easterly swell. To differentiate. Ano pang kulang ko? Okay, so you can put watch level 1 dyan, ano? Pwede. Huwag mo na ilalagay yung time of observation 08, yung oras na lang, no? Yung watch level kahit saan mo ilagay yun, no? At sabi ko nga sa hapon lang ito. If you're in the Greeks, wala ito. Pero ako sinulat ko pa rin pag hindi stricto yung kapitan. Watch level 1. Watch level 1. Yan. Tapos ano pang information na kailangan natin ilagay dito? Okay, so relieved by third officer, no? Pero pag nakalagay diyan relieved by the next officer, okay, so third officer pa rin kasi di ba? So, ilagay mo diyan watch. Okay, normally ilagay nila diyan watch relieved by third officer. So mali yun ha, lagyan mo ng linking verb. Watch is, para naman na tumama tayo lang mga Pinoy ang mali eh. Watch is relieved by third officer. On course noted, mga ganon, ano? Pero ako hindi na. Ayan, not necessary kasi nandyan na yung course eh. Okay. Ano pa? Pero pwede mo ilagay, no? Watch is relieved by third officer on course noted. Kaya lang, pampahaba kasi yun eh. Kaya lang, paigsian ito eh. Okay, so, okay, wala na information for the remarks, na? Meron ba ako nakalimutan? Strong freeze, moderate C, moderate average. Visibility, meron na. Okay, so meron na, no? Kung merong nakalagay na current, pwede mo rin ilagay, no? Okay, pwede mo rin pala i-describe. Vessel is, ano bang course natin? 348. Okay, so hindi ka against the wind. Kung ano sana, kung ang ating course is 348, ang wind is 348, that is you are against the wind. Kaya against the seas, no? So ito hindi naman eh. Nandito sa iyong abeam. Pwede mo rin describe na wind is a beam. Pero hindi na kailangan. Kasi ano, ang importante kasi doon, if you are against the wind and against the sea, against the swell, ganon, no? It means it will affect your speed. Kaya meron kang reason. Kaya natin nilalagay dito. Pero kung abeam naman, not necessary. Because it will not affect your speed. Hindi mo pwedeng irason, no? Okay, so punta tayo ngayon sa non-report. So what is the distance run? Nung nilagay ko dyan, distance run. Okay, so the distance run is, that is the daily distance.
299, sir.
Sabi ko nga, buti dito distance run nilagay ko, pero sometimes you can see daily distance there. 299 miles. Then the total distance run is 1,510 miles. Okay, so i-divide natin dun sa ating divided by 23 hours. So i-divide nyo, 23 hours.
Ano po yung i-divide? Yung
299, that is distance, di ba? Divided by time is your speed. Divided by time.
13 po.
13 eksakto, no? So eksakto wala kang utang sa charterer. Kuha mo yung 13 knots. And then 1,500 that is for 5 days. So wala naman nakalagay na adjustment diyan. So let's use 5 days which is 24, no? 5 times 24 tayo. Pero actually, meron nakalagay na ano dyan, 23, di ba? Oh. Para na lang kayo hindi malito. So, dapat ganito yun, ano? Dapat 24 times 4 plus 23. No? So, dapat gagamitin yung 119. Pero para hindi na kayo, kasi this is, hindi naman ng calculation ang tinecheck ko dyan, kundi yung logbook keeping. So, I will allow you to use. So, katulad yan, 1,510. Okay, divided by 5 days na. Tapos divided by 24 hours. Para maging hour. Okay, so 12.58. 12.58. Kulang, ha? Kailangan mo mag-increase na speed. Hindi mo naabot yung average, which is yung charterer's speed. Pero dito, dahil merong adjustment, kung yung sinagot mo naman na yun, ay tatanggapin ko din, ano? Let's say 1,510 divided by 119 hours, dahil meron tayong adjustment na isa. 12.68 sinagot mo dyan. Okay, so I will accept that also. 12.69. Okay, so anong kailangan natin? Okay, so the distance to go, that is 1,700, ano? 1,700. 1,000, 1,700. That is the distance to go. So, ilan yung time to go? Okay, siyempre distance divided by the time, divided by the speed equals time. So, 1,700. Ang charter race speed ba ay 13? Tama ka, no? 13, no? Yan, 13 knots, charter race speed. Okay, so our charter race speed is 13 knots. 1,700 divided by 13. That is,
130 po, 0.7.
okay, 130. So, pwede rin
0.8 pala.
130.8. O, pwede rin na dalawa, 0.77, ano? Okay, so 130.77 hours. Ngayon, kung kinonvert mo sa days, it's okay. Okay, mas tanggap ko pa nga yung days, no? Okay, so i-convert natin sa day, that is divided by 24. Okay, so that is 5 days pa ang bayahe mo. 5 days and 5 days minus 5 times 24. That is 10 hours. 5 days. 10 hours minus 10 na naman equals times 60. That is 46 minutes. Okay, so 5 days, 10:46. Para madaling kunin yung ETA dahil nakaano ka na 5 days and 10:46 hours. Yan. Parang oras na, no? 4 digit. Ano bang kailangan natin? Anong kulang? Okay, so kompleto na yata, no? Okay, so dito, kung meron nakalagay na wala naman nakalagay, no? Kung may nakalagay na HFO, so ilagay mo lang naman, isusulat mo lang naman yan, ano? Ito naman, log details. Hindi ko na nilagyan to, no? This is log details. Okay, I believe na kompleto na natin. Anong kulang? May kulang ba? Wala. Okay, non-position, kulang. No? Meron ba non-position dyan? Okay, meron. No? Okay, so for the non-position, this is 19. 30.0 south. So it is written like that with dash in the middle. No? But for me, I prefer the degrees and minutes. But this is always what you see on board, done by second mates. And then for the longitude, that is 075 dash 25.0 west. Okay. May kulang pa. Siyempre, nag-remarks ka, you need to sign somewhere here, no? You sign. Chiefmate? Alam mo, chiefmate, dahil ako eh. Okay. So, sign. Any question? Tama-tama, alas 9. Any question?
I-upload niyo po sa elementary video po. Sige po.
Yung video, okay, I will upload the video. Okay, gentlemen, you can leave. Thank you for listening. I will see you I will stop here.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will end this.